I'm Chelsea Sweeney.
Hi, I'm Michelle Stanzione.
And welcome to Caesar's Kitchen.
Today on Caesar's Kitchen, we'll be making sesame biscuits.
The ingredients are whole sesame seeds and honey.
The first fun fact of the day is, in Rome, breakfast is called dentaculum. For breakfast, we normally have a slice of bread or wheat pancakes eaten with dates and honey.
Another fun fact is lunch is called prandium, which we eat around 11 a.m. And we eat a light meal of bread, cheese, and possibly some meat.
At first, we're going to pour 4 ounces of honey into the saucepan and let it simmer for around 10 minutes.
The main meal is dinner, and we eat it in the late afternoon or early evening.
Alright, now we're going to pour the honey into the pot and let it simmer for 10 minutes.
Now we're going to pour the sesame seeds into the measuring cup and pour them into the pot.
Now we're going to put the sesame seeds in the pot for 5 minutes and let them simmer while stirring them.
Now we're going to grease the surface with olive oil. We do this so it won't stick to the surface.
Now we're going to spread the mixture onto the surface. Now we're going to spread the mixture across the surface and make it smooth. Okay, and now we're going to let it cool off for a couple of hours and then cut it into any shape or size that you want and then serve.
This is our finished product, and now we will cut it up into bite-sized pieces. And now we can eat our wonderful snack.
Welcome back to Caesar's Kitchen. I'm Chelsea Sweeney.
Now I'm Lauren Bancroft, and here's our guest star, Julius Caesar. Good day. Good day, sir. Good day.
Good day.
How are you today, Julius Caesar?
I'm doing fine, thank you. We just conquered lots of other countries, you know? Yeah, and we built a bridge over the Rhine River.
How long did that take you?
10 days.
10 days, that's it?
That's it.
That's
Wow.
amazing.
I know, well, I am amazing.
So, we have a lot of questions to ask you, so let's get started.
So, what does the lower class of Romans eat?
Well, the lower class of Romans usually eat porridge with vegetables and sometimes meat if they can afford it. You know, I eat most of the meat.
What do the upper class Romans eat?
We usually eat bread, cheese, meat, and honey. And sometimes, on special occasions, we like to drink the wine.
So, where was the cooking taking place?
In a kitchen where smoke could escape out of a small hole in the ceiling.
What is the largest meal of the day?
Dinner, and it usually lasts about 4 hours.
So, how many meals do you eat a day?
3.
What kind of tableware does the poor use?
They use coarse pottery, but those willing to spend more use very good pottery, and they use gold, silver, and bronze materials. Look, it's time for me to go. I have a meeting with the Senate.
Well, before you go, you can try one of our sesame biscuits that we made yesterday. Give me an honor.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yum! Scrumptious.
Yay.
Well, we were very glad to have you on our show today.
We'll see you another time.
Of course.
Please come again.
Delighted.
That was our special star, Julius Caesars. Remember to watch us next Monday at 3 o'clock.
Thank you for watching Caesar's Kitchen.
Remember to watch us again Monday at 4 o'clock on Channel 30.
Bye. Caesar's Kitchen.
Remember to watch us again next Monday at 4 o'clock on Channel 30.
Bye. Welcome to thank you for watching Caesar's Kitchen. Hey! At first, we're gonna pour the
You record this, I
Whoa. I have a pie and Rachel, and I have a problem.
Are you hot? Are you recording?
Yes.
Wait.
Are you ready?
What did the upperclassmen do?
Well, we usually. Milk, bread, cheese, and honey. And sometimes we drink wine.
Wait, hold on, milk?
Milk?
Isn't that what she said?
Well, there. Did you guys say?
Hey, my name is Pete.
If you're filming me.
Wait, how much film does this have? 69 minutes. 69! Babe Monday. I love filming. I think I'm gonna be a photographer when I'm older.
Kelly said that when she was shooting that stupid video of Steven Zero.
Oh yeah, she was. I said photographer. I mean videographer, whatever.
Graphics designer. Stop zooming up my eye.
Oh, you can see. Want it to be top secret. Wait. Oh, now you have to do this thing. Oh my God! Lauren! Whack you with this.
You get me honey on this, I swear.
Someone got honey on my toga.
Guys, it's recording. It's recording.
Stop it! Okay, we'll stop. Ooh, that's a perfect. Look at that. Perfect!
Guys! Alright, enter.
Guys! You guys, come on. Now we're going to put the sesame seeds in the pot for 5 minutes and let them simmer while stirring. Now we're going to put
Ew, you spit on me. Sick.
Stop!
Oh my God.
No, it's not. Guys, stop it. Turn off. Guys.